What is going on YouTube? In this video we're going to be comparing the Xiaomi FIMI X8 with the ND filter with the Mavic 2 Pro with the ND filter at sunrise over the James River, flying laterally right over those trees, pointing toward the sun to give you that cinematic beautiful look. As usual, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you like the content, smash that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Let's get into the video.
Shimmer like a chandelier. The way you talk, making it so crystal clear. I don't fall so easily, but what we got comes naturally. I bet my money I'm sticking with you, honey. You don't overthink it, say it like you mean it. That's the way I like it, always keep it classic. Dazzle like a sapphire. Dazzle like a sapphire. You don't overthink it, say it like you mean it. That's the way I like it, always keep it classic. You don't even need to try when it's just you and I. You don't even need to try when it's just you and I. It's kinda funny, you make me feel like money. You don't overthink it, say it like you mean it. That's the way I like it, always keep it classic. You don't overthink it, say it like you mean it. You don't overthink it, you just make me feel it. That's the way I like it, always keep it classic. Dazzle like a sapphire.
I'm going to use that ND4 filter. I'm going to use the ND4 today. So this is the ND4 right here. And it's ready to rock and roll. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the last song by Iolite. The name of the song was Sapphire. Alright, so we see 4 quadrants here, and I want you guys to look at these quadrants and pick your favorites and drop us a comment below why you picked those quadrants. Alright, I'm going to give you some context. I got up early in the morning at 6 in the morning. It was 37 degrees outside, and I drove to this location. It was west of the city and west of this bridge, knowing that as the sun came up, the light was going to bounce off the James River and give you this really cool effect. Check it out. It's really cool. And as you can see, as the day is progressing, the lighting conditions are changing drastically. But what is not changing is the ND4 filters that are on both of the Mavic 2 and the X8 SE. And the settings are set to automatic and the white balance set to sunny. That is what's staying constant. But we have here is some really cool shots, right? Trying to fly under the bridge, so they kind of frames the city in the background, and it looks awful nice, right? All right, let us know below which one is your favorite quadrants, and I'm going to be quiet and play some cool music in the background and let the video roll.
yeah. Dark up, pull up. You'll never catch me, you'll never catch me. Dark up, pull up. You keep on running, you keep on running. Ooh, oh, 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 oh. Dark up, pull up. You'll never catch me, you'll never catch me. How's it living in my rear view? I'm always one step ahead of you. I'm a psycho trip lunatic on the wrong fugitive. You can't handle me. I'm about to leave you in the dust, yeah, yeah, yeah. Dark up, pull up. You'll never catch me, you'll never catch me. Dark up, pull up. You keep on running, you keep on running. Ooh, oh, 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 oh. Dark up, pull up. You'll never catch me, you'll never catch me. You'll never catch me, you'll never catch me. You'll never catch me. You'll never catch me. You'll never catch me. You'll never catch me.
All right, guys. So the first three quadrants are the FIMI X8 SE, and the lower right-hand quadrant, that's the Mavic 2 Pro. In my opinion, is the undisputed king of the folding drone that have 4K cameras that are stabilized. Just crazy nice. You can see the details, everything's perfect. But if you look at the way I'm flying the FIMI X8 SE, I am flying it better than the Mavic 2 Pro. So it's not the camera, but how you use the camera that makes the difference, because in the 740 and the 746 flight path are so much better. I was closer to the bridge and I framed the city in the background along with the sun in the background. Also, the time of the day was just perfect for the FIMI, as the sun is just peeking over the horizon and bouncing off that river. It just came out crazy nice, right? So let us know what you guys think. We appreciate you guys' comments, and thank you so much for hanging in there this long. As usual, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you like the contents of the channel, smash that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.